Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. As you all can see from the thumbnail and from the title of this video that I am going to do the unboxing of my favorite art supplies here. Now I mean that I have been using this art supplies regularly and they are like one of my favorites, and these are like my second or third purchases, maybe. Like I've already used them before in my illustration and I can blindly use this again. So it's not like a first impression video, but I'll show you that what kind of art supplies I always like to use in my tutorials or in my artworks mostly. So guys, I've ordered all this from Canvaso, and this is not a sponsored video. Just I wanted to show you guys that these are the art supplies which I regularly use. First you can see is this masking tape, and this black pencil from Polychromos. Now this is like something which you all use regularly, right? Black shade is very important for giving your final detailing, final shading, especially if you are making any kind of folds or you are giving that lehenga shades. So you can purchase a single color pencil, especially the black, and also a white gel pen, again very important for giving you details and shine. So now here I've ordered some specific shades of the poster color range because I needed these colors in larger quantity because I'm doing some custom illustrations. So for that I've ordered some specific shades. And guys, here again is the Camlin brush pen. If you all have used this, then you know how versatile and good these colors are. I have already finished one set and this is my second purchase, and here actually I got a very good discount. The MRP written is 400, but I got it for 320 on the website, which I think is a pretty good discount. And also for anybody who is not very familiar with this brand, you can see guys the shade names. Also I've made a video on this, how to use brush pen. You can go and check that out. You can click on this I button, or there will be all the links in the description box below. Coming to the papers, I think recently I'm using this papers a lot. The Brustro Artist Watercolor paper in hot pressed. That means these papers are smooth, very good for all kind of mediums actually, like watercolors, brush pens, markers, even pencil blending. So I think this particular range is very versatile and I'm really enjoying working on this paper. So guys, in this range also I got some discount, so you can go and check out on the website. Actually the price keeps on changing. And apart from this, I have also purchased this ivory paper from the brand Anupam. Now this is very new to me because I have not used this particular brand before, but I have read the reviews regarding this paper, and so far it seems good. It's in 25 GSM A4 size, and let me show you the shades which I purchased. Firstly is this poster white, and after this I have purchased some shades of pink. Actually I have to make some custom illustration which is like commission work. Because of that I have to get a hold on this color. So firstly is the white, of course, for all your details you do need your white. So the good thing is you can purchase single bottles because you don't need to purchase the whole set. You can purchase only that color which you need. So either from your local store or from website, wherever it's available at a good deal, you can definitely go and purchase such single shade. And I've also purchased this burnt sienna, another brown color, which is I think again very common for doing your skin tones or for giving any kind of detailing over the garment, for hair. So again this color I wanted to use mostly for my garment and even skin tone, and I'll show you the shade guys. I think in our a color set, some colors finishes very soon, so you guys can let me know in the comment that from your set which color do you finish the first. For me it's always black, white, brown, yellows, and the colors like blue and green, they always remain for the last portion, and I am not able to finish all these colors on time. So here you can see I have purchased two different shades of pink. They are almost very similar, but one is kind of this shade in special pink, another one is in this neon pink type of shade. I'll just swatch it quickly for you guys. So I'm really satisfied with the intensity of the color, and it looks actually very neonish, and it's such a pretty color. I was looking for this color only, and thankfully I got the single shade. I have searched it near my local store, but this kind of shade was not available, and luckily I got a nice bottle of the shade which I was looking for in a very good lower cost. I mean, it's not very costly. You can get the poster color bottles from 30 to 50 rupees maximum. So guys, here you can see I've purchased total 4 different shades of the poster color bottle, and here is the Camlin brush pen. Now you guys have used either the Camlin brand or maybe some other brand, and for me I have used the Camlin brand only, and I think this particular range is very versatile. We can do it for the base, for the details. I mean, its tip, that is a brush tip, is very flexible and the color is very rich. So you can see I already have this set which is almost about to finish. They lasted for a quite long time, like I think I've been using this for 3 years now. And here all the colors are actually very rich. It has a good color combination. I particularly love this yellows and this greens and the blues, and it also has this hot pink and this neon yellow type of color. So they are very bright. Some colors are actually very bright, which will really enhance your overall illustration. So I think that is one benefit of your brush pen, that it is like a very quick coloring medium. You can use it in alternative of watercolors maybe, or maybe poster colors, markers, for doing your base very quickly. So guys, overall you can see I have purchased only the important things and the most used items from my kit. I hope you liked this video. Do let me know if you want to see more such unboxing and review videos. Do subscribe if you are new to the channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of all my coming videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye.